like Clyde. I wanted also to do that, but no one's gonna search that. No one's gonna search how I do things because I'm literally no one and no one knows my existence. But people will know me. I hope. But this feels so fucking weird, to be honest. Ah, and I hope I don't look like James Charles with the white. I kind of changed the lighting because I wanted to play around with my place. I like to make things more complicated than they are. I don't like simple things. So I'm gonna introduce myself. Hi everyone, I'm Clyde Harley. I'm a 19 years old aspiring artist based in Rome, and today I wanted to show you more on how I do things, on how I create with my art style. At first I was thinking on doing how to draw portrait or faces because that's what I always do, and people always seems to like look at. I wanted to make more a creative, like seeing how I draw based on me as a person, not as an artist, because from my perspective, when I do love an artist, it's because how they are feeling or what do they like doing in the free time. I look more to that other than, oh, their artwork is amazing, like they are so crazy talented, but I think it's more behind the painting, like a metaphor. It's more behind the painting that we all do see that, and I want to show more on what my art style and how I do create affects my drawings. We're gonna first start with how I draw things, where is my inspiration comes from. The most important thing I do is feeling at the moment, what is my emotions, because all of my works are based on what I do feel at the moment or something that I want to go through healing. It's what I'm feeling. So whenever some people see my art right here, there's always emotions behind every drawing, and I don't always know why, and I just go with my intuition, and I just go what I do feel like. I use art to express and portray my emotion. Yes. My art is based on being open-minded, being open to everything, and do not judge whatever you see. And yeah, I think that's what I do for that. And being always be open-minded in like trying new things, trying new stuff. Like if it doesn't work, at least you know a different part that it's gonna bring you to another place to get like authentically yourself in everything that surrounds you and what you're feeling, because the best way to develop and to wake up yourself is through the acceptance, which is the first place. I hope this doesn't turn out like an awakening thing, but that's what I do in my art process. Emotions are really important to me. I like to go in depth with my emotions. Also, I'm gonna say emotions all the time throughout this video because it's the main theme on what I do create. Really expressive in what I do create. It depends on, I'm accepting every emotion that I have because it's a part of myself, and I should be, if you want to accept yourself at your best place, it's cliche to sound, you need to accept it at your worst. You don't need to go and run away from your problems, and accept them because it's gonna make you a better place. I love philosophy a lot. I love going deeper with our mind, going in depth with our unconsciousness, and also how our mind works. So we're gonna get in depth, me as an artist, and I think it's better this way than doing a portrait. You're going to get to know me more as an artist, as Clyde, because I portray two, like not two types of people in what I do. Like hardly it's more when I'm me as a person, I'm me when I'm around other people, and not art. And Clyde is what like I represent the most with my creative side. I don't mind it. Obviously you can call me whatever you want. The reasons why I'm doing this, it's because I would love to record the part of my life at this age that I'm 19 and what is like my art, because I'm always constantly changing my art style, and I think I need to record everything I do and see more what I like, become more conscious on what my style is. Here I'm more like an person, then I'm translated into pens, and right now I don't know, like coloring, I would never see me like that, because I always represent dark aesthetic, like darkness, and I'm really the opposite. Like here I have dark, and here I have really colorful, and there is no one in the middle. And I just want to like make videos, and I think it's a cool way to look back when you're older. One thing is that I always do is trust the process. I go with the flow like water. I don't I don't expect anything whenever I draw, because I'm always constantly thinking that it's not the last one, and I'm always gonna be better every time I do practice. And yeah, I think trust the process, whatever I'm feeling. Being unique is not like, oh, I'm so different. It's just that I do know what I do like, and whenever you build a puzzle to build yourself, you're gonna get more in depth within you, and you're going to be unique. It's because you know more things about yourself, you know more things that you like and also don't like. I hope everything it makes sense, because before I started this video, I was really in the mindset of the philosophical level, and I always wander around with my mind. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see, but I started doing a face right here that it represents myself, and I write Clyde, and some stairs like awakening of yourself. Then I have like a mind with a window that it's looking, and she's still the same person, and some stairs. And I did write in my own calligraphy, beyond what your mind can, which means that you can go deeper and more if you only allowed your mind to, and you surrender and accept every part of yourselves. So this is what basically I do with my art. I was getting bored actually with doing up frontal faces, so I saw a drawing of a kid. Everything I draw is on Pinterest. I tried to find images, so I did this one and this one, and I added some hands, but they're like then some like abstract things. And yeah, this is my first page that you see on my 10th this is my 10th video I'm making. It's been a month on doing this YouTube thing. I'm getting more comfortable, but I say that I trust the process on everything. Let's see where it takes me, and I hope for the best, and we hope, because I would love to show off my art to more people, and I think hopefully YouTube, the algorithm, helped me with this one. And yeah, I think that's it. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because it helps me so much and can share more of what I do create, my art process, who's behind the drawing that you see here. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, and it's been Clyde. Yeah, bye.